traders, it's 35 minutes past 6 p.m. here in Brisbane on Thursday, the 17th of August, and I'm excited because I finally found a worthy opponent. Now, it's been a very quiet August so far, and I am being patient. I'd like my opponent to be ripe and ready. I want to have them in the right spot in the ring so I can take them quickly and without much pain for me. So I'm being careful when I pick up my opponent, especially when the moves have been so far for so long. At some point when we get that big stretch of overextension, we're gonna see that pullback, and I don't want to get caught in this massive opposite side pullback. So let me share with you my fight plan for Euro Kiwi, and I want to start actually with the higher time frame, and that is the monthly. And we can see here on the monthly we are in an uptrend, and we finally broke above this consolidation level, this blue line of mine, around the 1.81 area. What I also particularly like about this opponent is that we're currently breaking and trading above. This week over here was the last place that the seller took from the buyers and were able to push the price to a lower low. So I like that we're trading above that area. That look like a bullish sign for me. Also, if I look at the momentum indicators, they're all converging very nicely and pushing higher. Going down into the weekly, and we can see in the weekly this consolidation that we had underneath this level. Beautiful weekly break, close above that red line, so that's important. And already this week we traded above that area, so again show some bullish power. Coming down into the daily, and basically what I'm looking for is a bit of a pullback, release of this buying pressure back into this area around my blue line. What I also like about the blue line, if we'll take a look at this level, is that this is an area that pushed to a low and then another lower low. So a lot of sellers set at this area, came back into the area, couldn't push lower, back up again, couldn't push as low, broke above and kept on going higher. There is a pullback to test it from above on the lower time frame. Now I want the higher time frame to pull back. So my plan is very simple. I'm looking for this opponent to move into my offense area. This is the blue line around the 1.8070. Show me signs that the pullback is over and the buyers are ready to take control again, and I'll be looking for a continuation of the move. As for a point win, I'll be looking at these previous highs and just underneath these wicks that we see around here, so somewhere around the 1.83 for a point win. And for the knockout, I am looking at the high of this area. So let's just zoom into this area. So I am looking at this area just around this activity that happened here on this weekly chart. So I'm going to take the purple line. So it's going to be just underneath this area, below the high of this week candle. So in and around the 1.8450. Let's just be a little bit more precise around this area. So to summarize, I am looking for a pullback into this blue line, into the area around the 1.8070. I am looking for signs that the pullback is over and the buyers are ready to take control over this market. And then I'm looking for the point win around the 1.83, that's the green line, and the knockout around the 1.84.5, which is my purple line. Happy knockouts, everyone. Bye for now.